On the 12th of April 2023, in the city of Lakewood, Washington, USA, police officers conducted a traffic stop after running a vehicle's license plate and discovering it had been suspended. The driver was a homeless woman who had been living in her car. What began as a routine traffic stop quickly escalated into a tense confrontation, resulting in the woman being restrained, handcuffed, and charged with a felony.
Stay in the car.
What are you putting me up for?
It shows you're suspended.
I'm
That's
not suspended. I just sent out a check. I'm not.
Okay, let me see your driver's license. Let me see your driver's license.
It's nothing to see, bro. It's nothing to see.
Let me see your
I'm
driver's
about to call my
license.
case manager because I just sent out that f***ing
Your driver's license and proof of insurance.
Really have a whole
Do you have your
fucking
driver's license and proof
Yes,
of
I do,
insurance?
but you just pulled me
May I
over.
see
What was
it?
your reason for pulling me over?
You feel the signal go around the truck and
No,
it
I
shows you're
didn't.
suspended.
No, I didn't. You just lied. Watch out.
No,
What are you
not watch
doing? What are you doing? I'm closing my
conducting
door.
a traffic stop.
Okay, but you didn't know, bro. Watch out. Let me close my door.
No, you're not closing.
Let me close my door. You're doing.
Do you have your driver's license? Yes
What do
or
you
no?
need my driver's license for?
I'm conducting a traffic stop.
Well,
That's why. I need to
well, shut the
identify
door.
who you are. What's your name then? Since you don't have your driver's license.
Who told you I didn't have my driver's license? You just
You
passed.
haven't produced it.
I don't have to produce you with anything.
Yes,
at the
you
moment.
do.
No, I don't. I pulled him over to get gas. Out of my face.
This is a traffic stop.
I don't care what it
Required
is.
by
I don't
state law
care.
to
I don't
identify
care.
yourself to me. Understand that?
I don't care. I don't.
If you don't
To be quite
identify
frank, I
yourself,
don't.
I'm gonna arrest you.
You're not arresting anything. What the f? Like,
Sure about that.
you just. What did you just do? What did you just do? Is this car not in my name? Is it?
I have no idea who you are.
Okay, well, I'm trying to get in contact with who I need to get in contact with because I have just sent out some papers, so. Yeah.
Put the phone away.
What are you telling me to put the phone away
Put
for?
the
And I'm
phone
telling you I'm
away.
calling my case
I don't
manager.
care who you're calling.
No, because
I
this
need
is
to identify you. Put the phone away. Do you have ID or not?
Yes, I do.
I need to see your ID.
Okay, well,
if you don't
can you
show
shut
me
my
your
door?
ID, I will arrest you.
Well, can you shut my door?
No.
I'm about to keep calling until I get a hold of somebody because they just sent the check out for me. There's nothing for me to tell you. I can give you a piece of paper to tell you that they sent the check out, but there's nothing else that I can give you.
Okay, well, I need to see your ID. Is that what you're getting, your ID?
No.
Huh?
No. Right on my picture.
Unless you're getting your ID, quit reaching around the car. Last chance. Come over
I'm
here.
telling you, I'm providing you with my information. That's us. Like, this
Do you have your ID or not?
Yes, I do, but get the back. Like, you're like I'm in fear for my fucking life. I'm a black woman. You're always shooters. I'm trying to
Hey,
call my
quit
fucking
reaching around the car.
Did you just not tell me to provide you with my ID? Yes
I've
or
been
no?
standing here
Yes
for
or
5
no?
minutes.
Yes or no, right?
Where is it
Yes
at?
or no?
Where is
Yes or no? Exactly. I'm looking for my You're tripping.
Okay, I don't want you looking around the car. Why don't you just give me your info?
Indian. Go ahead. Call away.
Put your
Call
phone away.
I'm not putting my phone away because I'm calling my case manager. I'm not putting anything away. Not gonna tell me I can't call and make a phone call.
What's your name? India?
Indian.
What?
Like I just said, Indian. I try to provide you with the paper. You act like you.
Stop reaching around.
Hey, step out of the
I'm
car.
looking for my ID. The f just told me.
Now I'm ordering you out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out
All
of
right,
the
watch
car.
out.
Get out of the
All
car.
right, get out. Watch out. Watch out. So I can lock the door and get out and put my
Oh.
keys.
The officers attempted to reason with the woman, calmly explaining the situation before firmly instructing her to step out of the vehicle. What began as a simple request for cooperation soon revealed the growing tension between the two sides.
What are you doing?
Step
What are you
out.
doing? Why are you
Step
grabbing me? You
out
see
of
this?
the
Why are
car.
you grabbing me?
Step
Bro, I'm
out
trying to call my
of
case
the
manager.
car.
Why are you grabbing me? Bro, watch out. Why are you
Step
grabbing
out.
me? I'm trying to call my case manager.
I don't know what's in that car, and I don't want you
It's
reaching
nothing in
around.
this car, bro. I'm homeless. What are y'all doing?
over here.
Bro, this annoying, bro. What are you you still touching me and I'm not
to
touching
the
you,
back
bro.
of the
This
car.
is doing- Watch out. I'm trying to. Watch out. Please stop touching me, bro. Please stop grabbing me up. This shit is insane. Watch out, bro. I'm trying to call my
Stay right here. Where are you going? Stand right here.
Stop touching me, bro. I'm trying to call my case manager. Move.
I just put her in.
Like, I'm trying to call
Put
my
her in
case
there.
manager. This is going around. Put your hands on this. Shit is blowing the out of me, bro.
can't seem to
call
cooperate.
the YWCA. Call the YWCA immediately. I'm not playing with y'all. Call the YWCA. I literally have all my paperwork. Watch out. No,
Why
I'm not
can't you
doing
just
this.
cooperate?
I'm not
This ain't
doing
that
this.
hard.
Bro, this shit is
Stand
annoying.
right here.
I'm sure you've never been
Don't move.
homeless before. Don't keep touching me, bro. Don't keep touching me, bro. This shit is annoying.
Let's try this
I already
again.
told you what my name was, bro. This shit is
What's your
unnecessary.
date of
You can find that out, can't you? I tried to get you my information, but you didn't want to let me give you my information, so.
What's your date of birth? What is your date of birth?
Bro, I'm trying to calm down right quick. Like this, you already grabbed
I'm not your bro.
Well, I'm trying
First
to
of all.
calm down. This trying to calm down. Can y'all stop grabbing me and let me, like...
I've been trying for the past 10
you
minutes
have not been
to
trying
identify
to
you.
do nothing. I told you I was giving you my paper. Like, the fuck, you took my phone and everything. What was
You can make this easy.
I'm trying to make a phone call to tell y'all the check has been...
Simple.
This shit is irritating. Go to jail for what?
What
Not
is
identifying yourself.
your
For
date
what?
of birth?
Because you act like you didn't know who the I was when you pulled me over.
I don't know who you are.
Okay.
I have no
Okay.
idea who you are. What's your ID number?
I don't know.
What's your home address?
I don't have a home address. I'm currently residing in my car, like I just told you.
Stay right here.
She told the officers that she didn't have a home and was living inside her car, a statement that added a mix of sadness and irony to an already tense encounter.
Can you let me go? Could you let me go, bro?
You're not being cooperative.
I'm not touching you, though. Like, come on, I just need you to let me go. Like, I'm already in hand restraints. What more can I do? What more can you let me go, bro? Can you just let me go? Like, I'm just asking you to let me go. Okay, can you tell her to let me go? You've never been slipping in your car before. I'm sure you haven't. So can you just tell her, like, let me go?
You're not running the show here.
I'm not telling you I'm running the show. I'm asking you to let me go. Like, she don't have to keep holding me.
If you would just
She don't-
relax and take a
just
deep
take a
breath.
couple
I'm
breaths.
trying to.
you're not.
You keep touching me. Y'all keep touching me like I'm not already in handcuffs.
You're not trying.
This is annoying as
Okay.
This is annoying as bruh. Can y'all click that phone right there and call Shannon?
No.
Exactly, because y'all don't care. Y'all never
No,
care.
you're not allowed to make a phone right now.
How are you going to tell me I'm not allowed to make a phone call?
Because right now you're just
Okay.
in handcuffs.
Okay. This is annoying as when I just told y'all that I have a check that already got sent out. And I hate white officers, bro. White people, period, bro. This annoying. Like, it don't take 6 officers for 1 black woman.
When someone's making a scene, sometimes
I
it
didn't
does.
make no scene. You
You're
don't
in
even know what
handcuffs
you're
right
talking
now,
about. Well, may I use the restroom or something? Like, I could just, maybe I could just throw my and pee right here.
Preferably you do not do that.
Okay, well, I need
get
to use the
another
restroom
ticket,
and some other.
You-
Could you walk into the bathroom in here?
This is gonna take a couple minutes, then when you're free to leave, you can go wherever you want. You can make as many
Okay.
phone calls, you can use the bathroom wherever you want.
Where are your keys at?
They in the car underneath the seat.
In the car under the seat?
You
The
just-
door's locked.
They're not in your front pocket right there?
Bro, y'all not getting my car. I'm homeless. Y'all is not getting my car. I'm sorry.
Well, we can give you some resources for a homeless.
I have resources, bro. That's what I'm trying to get y'all to. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all.
Unfortunately, with
Like, this
being
blowing
suspended,
me.
we have to tow your car, okay? There's
No, y'all don't.
Yes, we do, okay?
No, y'all don't. I'm homeless. What do y'all keep? No, y'all don't, bro.
You know you shouldn't be driving, okay?
Okay, but I'm homeless. This
there
is like,
anywhere-
no. Bruh, what are y'all doing? Like,
Sarge.
come on now.
Relax. Why are you slipping this?
Because I need y'all telling me to calm down. Y'all restraining me twice.
They're locked. I need.
This shit is irritating as bro. Somebody help me. Please help me, bro. I'm homeless.
You're making this a lot worse than it needs to be. Stop.
Because I'm homeless, bitch. Have you been homeless before? You're not going to tell me I'm making this shit a lot worse. Get the here, bro. This shit is irritating, bro. I don't know, bro. I don't know.
Stop. Just relax.
Bro, stop putting pressure on me. This
Not.
Then you need to
are,
relax.
I'm telling you, you're putting pressure on me.
You need to
Bro, I need y'all
relax.
to back up, please, bro. Like, please. Please, like, y'all can show this.
You're making this worse than it is.
Let me go, bro. Like, I have anxiety and everything, bro.
Okay.
Bro, I
Do you want to? Hey, do you want to sit
can't
down?
breathe, bro. What's out? I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Y'all harassing me. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Relax. Relax.
I can't breathe, bro.
Okay, relax.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Just
I can't
relax,
fucking
okay.
breathe.
Just stay here.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe, bro. Get off of me. I can't fucking breathe. Oh my God.
Why don't you come sit down so you're not standing up?
Bruh, cause y'all gonna keep holding me while I'm sitting down. There's nothing in here, bruh. Can y'all let me go then? Can I grab my phone and y'all let me go?
When we let you go, yeah, you can take your phone.
Bruh, what the f? No. Y'all did not even ask me to search my car.
It's coded
That's what I
inventory.
do.
If it's gonna get towed, we have to inventory and make sure there's nothing in it. Okay?
Bruh, so can y'all let me go? Can you help me, please, sir? Can you please help me, bro? I'm homeless. I'm homeless, bro. I swear to God, I'm homeless, bro. I need so much help, bro. Please help me. Please help me, bro. Please help me, bro. Please help me. What is y'all putting me in the back of the police car for, bro? I can't breathe. I can't breathe, bro. What's wrong? Stop touching me.
Make sure you have
Stop
nothing
touching
on.
me. I have my keys. Y'all told me I could keep them.
No, we did not.
Yes, y'all did, bro. Please, bro. I swear to God, I cannot lose my car, bro. I don't have anywhere else to go. I don't have anywhere else to go, bro. I can't go anywhere else, bro.
Just sit in the car and be an adult. Let's go.
I'm trying to.
Okay, stand up.
Can I call my case manager, bro? I swear to God. Bro, I'm homeless. What part of homeless do y'all not understand, bro?
Stand up and sit
Oh
down.
my God, bro. This irritating this.
Sit on the seat.
Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh. This shit is this. How can y'all do this, bro? How can y'all do this? Y'all can't even let me call my case manager. This is annoying. Oh my God. Oh my God, bro. Watch out. Move. All my clothes and everything is in there. All my clothes is in there, bro. I don't have anywhere to go. Please get off of me, bro. Please.
Have a seat.
Please stop touching me.
Just relax.
Please stop. It's no relax, bro. Please stop touching me, bro.
Sit down in the
Please stop
car.
touching me, bro. There's nowhere I can go, bro. Stop
Sit
touching
down.
me, bro. I'm hyperventilating. Do you not see that? You're such a oh my God, bro. I don't have anywhere to go. Y'all trying to take my holy car, bro. I'm about to be walking, bro. This shit is irritating. And y'all don't bro. I can't even call my case manager. This is illegal, bro. Like, what the Please, somebody help me. Bro, please, somebody help me, bro. I don't need an ambulance. This bro. I'm trying to keep my cool, bro. Bro. Oh, please let me go. I don't have nowhere to fucking go, bro. No fucking nothing. Did y'all talk about center resources? This is insane, bro. Please call my case manager, bro. Can y'all pick that phone up or something? Like,
We'll let you make the call after if you just relax.
bro,
You just have to relax.
there's no relax on this. I just told you all my car, y'all taking it.
We're not-
I'm about to be walking.
Relax. Listen. You
shit
can
is
get whatever you need
irritating,
out
bro.
after they're finished the inventory.
Irritated. I don't have nothing in there but clothes. The I'm home is nothing but clothes.
India, we have to
Irritating this car,
done with our
bro. This irritating,
when your
bro.
papers are good to go.
You just said you was on my car, bro. I don't have anywhere to go. Don't you get that?
Is there
Do
somewhere
you
we
not
can
get
take
that?
Is there somewhere
No. Please don't take my car, bro. Please stop touching me, bro, because I'm not trying to spit on
well,
you,
we
bro.
can't
And I know that's assault, bro. Watch out.
No.
Stop touching me, bro. Please stop touching me,
stay
bro.
right
Move.
here.
Stop touching me.
India.
Stop. Stop touching me.
You're done. Go to jail.
Stop
You
touching
are
me.
under arrest.
I
You hear me? You're under arrest.
don't give a Come on, mama, get the off of me.
Get a spit hood in there. Get a spit hood out of that glove box.
Get the off of me.
Give me that hobble.
Move up. I can't breathe,
Watch your
bro.
face.
Let go.
I can't breathe.
Well, if you stop spitting on people,
Bro, I can't breathe.
We have an ambulance here.
So send them because I can't breathe.
They're here.
Okay, so get off of me, bro. My arms is bleeding and everything.
Got it.
You gotta calm down, and your breathing's gonna get better, I promise. We're gonna help you out. You just gotta be cool. And,
Okay, bro. I'm in restraints everywhere. Like this. Please,
well, you
bro.
can't be fighting with people, alright?
Because he just lied. He just lied,
if you're
bro.
cool, we'll all be cool, alright?
Okay, I'm cool, bro.
Alright, I appreciate that. I'm the ambulance, so.
Okay, I just need you to check me out. This
All
shit is
right, no
annoying.
problem.
I need to make a phone call.
You're not
No
gonna get
problem.
out right now. You're
I'm
not getting out of the
not
car.
talking to you. Shut up.
Alright,
I'm
so
not talking to you.
Look, I'm gonna bring my
The fuck
monitor
y'all
over
take care
here.
of me and shit. Watch out.
I'll be
This shit is
back,
irritating
okay?
as f- I know y'all can't take me out these cuffs. I'm laying shit.
17.
stop touching your
Stop
mask.
touching me. Stop
I'm
touching
telling
me.
you one more time.
Back. Get the fuck back. Pussy ass.
Spitting on us.
Get the fuck back.
How about no?
Fuck out of here.
Yeah.
Pussy ass.
Yeah, well, you're in the back of the car, huh?
Yeah, because you can't fuck with me.
All right, dear.
Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Is you retarded?
Stop
Do you
that.
not understand English?
I do.
Do not touch me.
Stop. Mask.
That's why I'm
Stop.
touching telling you the first time, you don't really want it. I swear to God you don't. Don't touch me again. You keep doing that on the slide, I will serve both of y'all, I swear to God.
You
I swear to God. I swear to God, I don't care.
All right.
I don't care.
In the end, the woman was arrested and later charged with multiple offenses, including driving with a suspended license, simple assault, and assaulting a police officer. Her case became a sobering reminder of how quickly a routine encounter with law enforcement can spiral out of control when emotion overrules cooperation. It also highlights the deeper social issue behind the scene, how poverty, homelessness, and misunderstanding can turn an ordinary moment into a life-changing event for everyone involved.